Well, this is an exceptional specimen of pink fluorite with quartz from the Alps in France. So this locality is very, very well known for these specimens just because pink is a very uncommon color for fluorite. And as you can see, the size and the quality of the specimen is absolutely exceptional. Even just this one crystal alone would be a world-class specimen. So just to have this entire cluster with the association of smoky quartz is just absolutely incredible. And as you can see, that color is just exceptional. So the reason why these are so prized is because, this pink color, it's very rare in fluorite. You see a lot of blue, a lot of green, but from France, this color is very particular. And what collectors look for is nice, deep pink. And this specimen, displays that perfectly. And of course, in the video, that's demonstrated very well.